how to share a project to your teacher's inbox. So when you have a NoodleTool project that you have yet to share with a teacher, you will need to open up NoodleTools, and when you are on the project's landing page, you will need to look at which project you want to share. And then underneath the sharing column, you will click on the plus button, and you have options here. So you will want to look at the share with the teacher's inbox option and click on share. And you will need to add your teacher's project inbox name. So we've instructed teachers to always put their last name first and then the class period and the title of the project. So you would start typing in that teacher's name. So if it was Miss Krenicki, you would be able to type in Miss Krenicki, and as you type this in, any current this year project will start to auto-populate underneath. So if it was Miss Krenicki's A class and it was World of 7 Billion project, so let's do this right way, you will see the options down below. You'll select what will work, what class is correct. You'll select that and then you will click done. Okay, so because I have an invalid project box name, I get an error.